make a snowman. Kind of smells. I don't know. Smell it. I'm gonna make a sandwich. So that's the square. Then I just need to do something. Just a square. That right there. It's a square house. And we're about to do the snowman. And it's gonna be big. Well, I just have a lot of squares. Let me get all of it out before we do. So we're gonna do that one, but this is hard. So don't do this at home. You just need to roll, but I'm kind of making something that, wow, I'm making a penguin now. So, I don't know. I'm just gonna draw up that one, then the other one. Well, I'm a little girl. And this was, I don't know. This is kind of penguin. Then some eyes. Like, you can make a rainbow. This is Play-doh. And I need more. So I just got some Play-doh near. Ask your mom and dad or someone that you could do a busy bee, like something. Oops. Do this. Get all the sides that you don't want. Then you can make beak like this. Just roll it. Do that. Just do the other one. Roll it. Then you need some more. So you just need to push it right there. Ask your mom and dad or your little brother, or are they artists? No, what was that? This one? The little balls. And you do that. Oops. I forgot to do the belly. Oops, the belly. Now, the little smiley face. Oop. That's a lot. That's better. Then here we go. Our new penguin.